This video will introduce you to a relatively new Office app called Teams. It's part of Office 365. In this video, you'll learn what Teams is, how to use it, the steps you need to take to get started, and you'll see some examples. Teams is part of Office 365, and you'll want to use your institutional account. When you go to the website, you will be prompted to log on to your school's Office 365 account. Then you'll be able to use Teams. The power of this app is that everything a team or work group needs to do together can be done in one place. You can have something called a channel for each topic, where the documents and conversations related to that topic are organized. Teams can have discussions, both written and video discussions, done with the whole team or a subset of the team. You may recall these essential learning outcomes from LEAP. The one most applicable to the Teams app, highlighted here, is promoting intellectual and practical skills, including teamwork and problem solving. Although Teams can be used for any groups, let's focus on how you can use Teams in your courses. Anyone can create a team, including students. However, if you want to use Teams formally and track its use and the work of a team, you, as the professor, should create the teams. You will be considered the owner, and you'll invite students to join a specific team. Microsoft gives the following educational goals for the use of Teams: assign, track, and review student work, export grades, collaborate and communicate inside and outside the classroom, make announcements, administer quizzes and polls, work in student groups, share and organize rich content, and invite virtual experts into the classroom. Here are some of the more useful features of Teams. As you and your students experiment, you'll find new and productive ways to use Teams features. You'll start at teams.microsoft.com. You'll be prompted to sign into your school account and download the app. This is the Teams page you will see when you are logged in. You'll click on Create Team. By the way, any other public teams formed by someone at your school will be shown. You, of course, will not want to make your teams public. You'll see these choices, and you'll select the one on the far left, Classes. Then you'll be given the opportunity to name the team. Then you'll add yourself and the members you want to be on this team. You'll be able to search your school's database for the names you want to add. Right now, only people at your school can be put in a team. Then you're ready to start. Teams can share files, have conversations, have meetings, and more. The program is very powerful, so there are many advanced features that won't necessarily be useful for your purposes. Explore the options and identify the ones you want to point out to your students. As you know, students are quite tech-savvy these days and will likely be able to figure out these options with little help from you. In the next few slides, you'll see screenshots from an example team called ACC 501 Team 1. This is the screen you'll see after you create the team. This is the screen you'll see when you select Files from the top of the page. This is the screen for the class notebook. You'll be asked to set it up and select the features you want to include. This is the screen for assignments. The instructions for adding an assignment are straightforward. Here's everything you need to know. Team is an Office 365 app, so it is available for you to use at no cost. Your school has already paid for it. It's easy to use, and there are tons of videos available to help you learn the various features of the app. There are 2 excellent websites noted here on the slide. You may also want to check out the dozens of YouTube videos available on Teams.